Are you having a hard time? Are you having a rough time? Or something is off? Many people right now are experiencing shifts, transformation, transition because of what's happening in the world right now. And what would you do if things are shifting from your comfortable zone to uncomfortable zone? What will you do? Now, my advice for you is the first thing you have to do is to stop. Stop whatever you're thinking, you're feeling. Stop, pause, and take a nice deep breath in and out. Practice that for about 5 minutes, and then after that, think of something that what's working with you, or what will you be thankful for? What are the things that you have, rather than focusing on the things that you don't have? Because many people are in the fear mode, scarcity mode, and survival mode. And I'm telling you, when you are in those energies, feelings, and emotions, your body cannot comprehend what's happening in your system, in the environment. So the initial response of your body is to go on panic, do the things that is not really good when you decide impulsively. So my advice as a holistic health coach, doing the spiritual side, doing the theta healing, is find something that works with you. If you feel that you don't have work anymore, what are the things that you can do? What skills do you have? What are the things that you can work on? And from there, you will find a way how to get up, how to be comfortable in your uncomfortable zone. So that's it.